Look at that. The big boat has arrived in Gothenburg and it's about to open its butt crack. No, not butt crack, but yeah, well, letting all the cars go out. Look at this lovely evening. Yes, yes. Spring is about to come. And here's my lovely Focus Sam LTD 160mm enduro bike. Really lovely. I'm gonna be short with this video because it's more like a bike check, so I can't really say a lot about the bike. I go through all the components and stuff on her. So starting off front, we got a RockShox Pike, dual position Pike in 160 format. Very nice, very, not say beefy, but yeah, could say beefy. You got some Focus own branded concept rims. They are 23mm internal width. Right now I got some studs on the tires. They are Nokian Yumi tires from Finland, so they are they studded tires. What else can you say? 2.25 wide, 200mm rotors, some pretty crappy Shimano brakes. They do the job right now, but I think they're like the first thing that's gonna go on this bike when the spring is here. Concept grips, they like waffled grip at the bottom. Yeah. The new SRAM GX 11-speed shifter with a Hasselfeld 40mm stem. It came with a 60mm stem, which was a little bit too long, I think. Focus on own branded concept drop post. They are in 120mm format, so they got 120mm drop. Moving down, there is a RockShox Monarch RT HV rear shock with a rebound and just basically like an on-off switch on it. So moving down, pedals, snook-proof pedals. Don't really remember where I got them from, but yeah. 30 tooth front chainring, 10 48 tooth, 42 tooth rear sprocket, with the new SRAM GX 11-speed derailleur with the clutch one-way bearing. It's quite strong. KMC chain, pretty bling, pretty fanging. Rear wheel is the same as the front wheel. The hubs, they are, I believe they are like concept hubs as well. Yeah, they are. I got some proper rear mudhugger from Mudhugger, and I got a Safal front fender. So yeah, front mudhugger. So that's nice. Yeah, and concept seat. I've ripped the seat. Actually, I'm pissed off because yeah, there it is. I've actually dropped the bike once. Not dropped the bike, I low-sided the bike, so I, you know, yeah, tore the jacket apart. So yes, very nice, very nice, bloody nice. So there we see the big lorries coming out from the boat's butt. Yeah, the color, holy crackamole. the water make like the camera go freaking nuts, you know. Yeah, you see, it's like it's getting like jello. I don't know, I'm colorblind, so it's like weirdly, yeah, you see the sky getting like weirdly focused and colored. But yeah, nice bike, really nice bike, love it. It's size large, I believe, and the top tube is like 610 millimeters. Yeah, and fits me good. I am 180 meters long, so 180 meters long. So at first it felt a little bit strange with the 60 millimeter front stem, so just swapped it out. So yeah, nice, good, bye.